Typically, when you speak of a technology like ablation catheters, the different type of applications primarily will be around bonding of the components on the assembly itself, and also treating the surface with multiple different types of fluids. So when we are speaking of lines, dots, surface treatment, the requirements of today are very intricate. As we've spoken of already, that you're looking at putting dots down or lines down, which will be sub 500 microns. Like more specifically speaking of a few applications which come to mind right now, where we have supported our customers with dispensing sub 300 micron dots and lines. Nordson EFD takes a lot of pride in being the market leader and the front runner on creating these innovative technologies, which not only offers the solution for the customer requirements today, but they also help our medical device manufacturing customers to future-proof their applications. So I would like to take this opportunity of perhaps speaking to a few of our technologies. One which particularly comes to mind because I've done an application in a very recent past is using our XQR41 valve. You by all means, I would encourage you to go to our website to look this up, and you will see that this is an innovative precision pneumatic valve technology, which is almost holds like a 60% less footprint than our traditional needle valve, and it is capable of putting fluid dispensing down or dots down or lines down as wide as 300 microns or less, even dots of somewhere around 150 microns to up to 300 microns itself. So we spoke of XQR41 valve, how it enables our customers to pour really small volumes of deposits reliably and repeatably and accurately. One of the other USPs of this particular valve, which I just referred to a bit earlier, that being 60% smaller than our traditional needle valve, we can accommodate these valves in very tight spaces at different complex angles on our customers' machines and their processes, however they are utilizing these particular valves, whilst manufacturing these ablation catheters. So now, as we have spoken of the XQR41, let's touch upon another technology which is being used comprehensively across multiple content manufacturers globally for us, and that is Ultimus Plus One. The Ultimus Plus One is our precision pneumatic tabletop dispenser technology itself, one of the newer additions to our portfolio. The USPs on that particular technology is something which is probably the first time it has been offered for that type of a technology across the whole landscape of tabletop pneumatic dispensers. A couple of things I will speak to, a couple of USPs which I think you'll basically find quite interesting and quite useful, is that firstly, what we have done on this technology is that we have gone away from the normal status quo. What this basically allows you to do is that it has, for the first time, it allows our customers to have a guaranteed first shot accuracy itself. Apart from that, this dispenser offers the features of complete remote management and also offers capturing of the dispense log, multi-shot, many other features itself. Please do go onto our website to see what the Ultimus Plus One can offer for your applications, and feel free to reach out to me as well. More than happy to have a conversation and explain how Ultimus Plus One can provide value for your applications, your fluid dispensing applications.